I think that every video I do, not only you can see through the point of view of nutrition, but also through time. If you think about it, following healthy nutrition advice is increasing your length of time on this earth. Food is our medicine, it nourishes us, and by eating well, you're having a longer time of good quality health years. I recently got a question on Instagram which said, what is your thought on controlling our cravings for junk food? Now, for those who follow my channel, you know that I promote a non-restrictive way of life. I think that everything can have a place in our diet, but I also think that if you have good healthy habits in place, then you can minimize the cravings you have for junk food, because if you fill your life up full of fresh fruit and vegetables and desserts which don't taste healthy but are, then your cravings are going to be reduced for junk food. So I want to talk about habits, because I think habits are key for creating that shift, that 1% shift in your lifestyle to get. So if your life's here and you want to get here, that 1% shift that way will get you there in the long run. So it is minimal turns you can do. So healthy habits. Now you might think that doing habits gradually is the way forward. So just focusing on drinking more water or just cutting out dessert once a week. But the truth is, I think it is better to do radical shifts on all areas of our life. So we sleep well, we're having our fruit and vegetables, we're drinking water, we are limiting on processed foods and cake and crisps, things that aren't nutrient dense. Because when we do that, we feel incredible straight away, and that feel good feeling of eating well, of not feeling like overly full and sluggish, and exercising and listening to good music, you'll feel incredible, and that incredible feeling will carry you on. It's going to be the biggest motivator for you to do it again, because you're getting rewarded by feeling good. If you just cut out dessert once a week, then that's not going to give you much of a feel-good factor. I think you'll always be thinking of, oh, I just want that dessert, and you'll be thinking in lack rather than gaining. You know, there's not much benefits of cutting out dessert once a week. It's not going to change your life completely. It's just you're going to save a few hundred calories now and again. But I think your mindset will always be, oh, I really want that dessert and I'm missing out, rather than focusing on all the healthy habits that you could do and the positive effect those healthy habits will have on you immediately. I know when I wake up in the morning and I get an hour of work done in the morning before everyone wakes up, and then I do a workout, and then I make like a yummy smoothie. I made a pina colada smoothie this morning. Then I'm feeling great. I feel like I'm smashing life, and that dopamine, that serotonin carries me on and motivates me to do more healthy habits. And I think that is really key. So try that. And if that is too overwhelming, there's a thing called micro habits, which is where you just do literally micro version of that habit. So let's say you wanted to floss your teeth more, just floss one tooth a day. Just all you have to do is floss one tooth. And because it's so simple and it's easy, you're going to do it. Or if it's exercise, just aim to do two press-ups a day. That's all you need to do. Or even better, just the micro habit could just be putting on your gym gear. And when you put on your gym gear, you're like, yes, I've smashed that habit, I've done it. And then you're more likely to exercise anyway, because you've done that first step. So focus on micro habits. Just aim to do like 2 minutes of that habit. It could be just like a bite of an apple, or 2 press-ups, or just putting your gym gear on, or just if you want to do more meditation, just do 1 minute of meditation, or read 1 page of that book, and slowly it will become a habit. Now, when we're forming new habits, we need to make it easy and enjoyable. For example, when we wake up, the first thing we do is a bad habit, but I'm guessing most of us check our phones in the morning. Why? Because it's easy, because normally our phones are an alarm clock, so it's always near us. Secondly, it is motivating and it's enjoyable, because we get that notifications from social media, our brains being entertained, we might get dopamine from that text message. So it is easy and it's enjoyable. So that is the key for doing something over and over again. We need to make our new habits easy and enjoyable. So it could be that when you're exercising, you should put on your favorite pop tunes on loud, because you get the dopamine effect from the music. It is enjoyable, and it's easy to do. Or it could be that you can attach it to something that you're already doing. So let's say you love making a cup of tea or coffee in the morning. When you boil the kettle, that can be your trigger for doing 2 press-ups or taking some deep breaths. Or when you hang your coat up, that can be a trigger for another healthy habit. So that is really key for thinking about creating new habits. How can you make it enjoyable? How can you make it easy? It could be sleeping in your gym clothes the night before. So in the morning, it's easy because you're already trained. All you have to do is put your trainers on or just walk downstairs and do some stretches and start doing some press-ups or sit-ups. Yeah, let me know what you think of these. I think it's really powerful to start off with the micro habits and to do radical shifts in all areas of your life. You know you better than I do, but that is just my thoughts, and I've had great impact from doing radical shifts across my life and just kind of saying like, this is the new me. Now, before you go, I have a program called the Delicious Transformation Subscription, and it's one of the most popular programs I do. People sign up, it's a no-brainer, it's super affordable. It's where I send a new meal plan every week. It's where I break down everything there is to do with health, from gut health to habits to mindfulness to stress, intuitive eating, everything into the private Facebook group, and you get access to all those videos and resources. I'm constantly updating it, but I'm giving you I've taken a week from the meal plan subscriptions. I've taken 1 week that I normally send out every week, and it's yours to download. You also get a breakfast recipe ebook. The link is in the description. Just click that. You'll get the breakfast ebook straight away, and then 1 week later I will send you the free meal plan to download. This is yours to keep. It's completely free of charge. You just have to enter your email. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.